start cooking now. It is 5:18. I don't know what's happened in the last couple minutes. Here's little man. Preston is going potty, but is mostly watching TV. Not bothering me, but if he does come in here, I will definitely find him like a job to do. So I'm gonna make some chicken flavored rice with some chicken. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like slice it bite-sized pieces. I'm not sure. But then I have this cute green pepper from my garden. I'll have to show you my garden. But I have this, my first ever green pepper, so I'm gonna cook it tonight and with some tomatoes. I'm not really sure how this is gonna turn out. It's just kind of one of those, you know, this is what I have, so this is what we're making. So, should be fun. Get back to you. I'm sorry I look like this. Like I said, I've had a headache all day. Literally, as soon as I started filming this though, I was like in go mode. Like this was like, all right, now we're killing it. The house is clean. We're about to start laundry. Gonna do a load of dishes after I get done meal prepping. Before I forget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching our video. We are almost done. We're gonna get this wrapped up. right, everybody, this is the final outcome. If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. We love the support. Hey, Jackson, what you think? All right, big brother stole the whisk. On to laundry. Okay, I'm going to squat down here. I'm going to attempt to do the laundry, but I probably won't last that long because JJ is having an so I'll probably have to get them ready for bed soon. Yeah, baby. Tyson's ready to do an activity, but it has been fun thus far. Alright. It's been fun. Thanks for watching, everybody, but we have got to move on. Ever get that laundry folded? I don't think so. Alright. Time to get ready for bed. So, you guys, it was so overwhelming to even attempt to film that. So, here I am. I have about half a basket left, but I'm gonna go get the boys ready for bed now. I'm not even sure what time it is, but we'll be back soon.